Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Miss Karina y soy la maestra de inglés de primero y segundo. Hey guys, hello. We will have some fun today. So, please stand up everybody. Let's start. Good morning, yay, yay, yay. Good morning, la, la, la. Teacher, good morning, my dear. Good morning, everyone, la, la, la. As every day, remember, we have to be very thankful. So today I will say something that I am thankful for. Today I'm thankful for my family. Today I'm thankful for a new day. And today I'm thankful to be here with you.
Tres.
What are you thankful for today? So let's start. Eyes, look at my teacher. Ears, listen to the teacher. Hands on my desk. Are you ready? Are you ready? In this lesson, we will learn the history of transportation. Can you imagine a world without any vehicles, ships, or airplanes, bicycles? First, we will check the vocabulary. Okie dokie? Word number 1, steam. When you boil some water in a pot, you can see the steam. The number 2 is the steamboat. The steamboat in the past needs to move with the steam, okay? Word number 4 is the wagon. It's a part of the train. Word number 5, bicycle. Everybody have a bicycle, no? Do you have a bicycle? What color is it? I have one color red. Word number 6 is the car. Do you have a car? What color is it? I have a car color red too. Word number 7, paddle. It's used for moving a small boat. Do you know how to use a paddle? Let's do it. Paddle, let's go. Word number 8 is the wheel. Do you know how many wheels does a car have? Exactly, 4. Word number 9, apart. It's separated by time or space. Okay? And the last one, word number 10, invent. It's to invent, to create something new that has never existed. For example, by this time you have listened the track 14 and 15 and follow with your finger. So let's start reading. In the book says that the canoe was invented in the 70s and it was moved by paddles. Yes.
3.
Then in the 70s, the steamboat also was invented and it was moved by steam, not paddles. Then in the 18th, the British people invented the train. And everybody is in a train now. Choo-choo, let's go. Then, in 1885, Carl Benz invented the car with just 3 wheels. Finally, in 1903, the Wright brothers created the airplane, the first airplane. And it was a pleasure to see you. See you later. Alligator, see you soon. Baboon, give a hug. Ladybug, excellent. I love you so much. Thank you.